Alright, welcome to this video. What I've done here, I've just got some text here, and what I've done is in properties, I've assigned it to a PR text style, so you can link style. That's always like a fun thing to do, have a bunch of different text styles, that way you don't have to create a new one. But if you look in effects, you can see I've used this, the text animator. So this is something which is only around in the very latest versions of Premiere Pro in 2026 and onwards, essentially. And it's got a really quite a sophisticated control to it. So you can see this is all. Let's see what we can talk about. Presets. So for example, we could do. Let's see, scale right. For example, let's try that one. That's a good one to actually show the differences with the different things here. In advanced control, that was letter. Let's try word here. And it's kind of interesting. Sometimes it actually worked better with the letter there. I've only done one line. Oh wow, I can have a few spins. Let's try a spin. Okay. So this makes things a lot easier actually, now I think about it. Spin is pretty cool. We'll have to change the zoom a bit higher. And there's another thing I saw that was pretty cool. We'll change variations. Does that just make it go from the left to the right? I think so, right? Oh yeah, what do I do to put it in the middle? This is definitely something you can really mess around with, right? And this is only what I'm doing on this, literally this one. Oh, it's a custom now. Whatever I chose at the beginning, I can't remember now. Overshoot or Bezier here. Yeah, overshoot actually looks better. Let's use all those settings, but we'll try some of these other ones as well, because there's a. How big is this menu go down? Not too much. Natural scale. Was this always the thing that you could click individually in different stuff like this? I feel like it wasn't really. It's almost like this is like a subtype of it. I wonder if this is something which is they're going to use going forward like that. I mean, you can literally just do random ones, right? Don't think it randomizes everything. Transition timing you got as well. That's not so interesting. Let's change the frequency. Let's do frequency and with a regular preset. Yeah, I would like to see if I can get each letter, because this seems to be on letter already. But Word doesn't really change it much. It just puts the whole lot in there. It might be because of this, the line and the word bias.